At first it looked like the US market was in for a shocker, with the index down 4% by lunchtime. But then the bargain hunters emerged and the market produced one of the biggest upside reversals in history, up 4% in the last hour, to finish the day 0.3% higher. But that didn't happen in London or Tokyo or Shanghai or Australia, where the All Ordinaries Index dropped 3% in the morning and pretty well stayed there. Falls were across the board: banks, resources, retailers, Telstra. Now, Fortescue fell 5% after revealing that costs had gone up 20% in the past 12 months. The diesel bill was double what it was a year ago. Explosives cost a lot more and wages are rising as well. And that's why the Consumer Price Index is moving. Now, the core inflation rate of 2.6% is now well inside the Reserve Bank's target range of 2 to 3%, which is fine, right? It's what the RBA wants. So why is everyone having conniptions? Well, by now, the RBA is usually raising interest rates already. This chart shows the cash rate and the breadth of inflation, that is the percentage of categories in the CPI showing price rises of more than 3%, which tells you how sustainable inflation is. Now, when this has risen in the past, the RBA has been straight on it, raising rates. This time, it's only been cutting, but the market thinks that's about to change later this year. The Australian dollar popped up when the inflation data came out, but then it sank to finish the day slightly lower, and there were some very chunky falls on commodity markets as well. Iron ore down 3.7%, oil 2.5%, nickel 6.8%, and cocoa 2.9%. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there, and don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.